We'll guide you through how to fix devices not connecting to your iPhone hotspot. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, on your iPhone, open up your settings like so. And what you want to do is go into your personal hotspot settings. If it's currently turned on, just go and turn it off for now. And you need to come down to the bottom and make sure maximize compatibility is turned on. This will allow more devices to be able to go and connect to it. Then once that's turned on, what I recommend you do is you go and restart your iPhone just to fix any problems it may be having. To do that, you press the increase volume button, the decrease, and then hold the power button. So increase, decrease, and hold the power button. You'll go and see this screen here. Just keep on holding the power button until you go and see the Apple logo appear. Before that though, your screen should go black, like so, and then wait to see the Apple logo. And then let go and wait for your iPhone to start again. It's now started again, and we can go into your settings and come back to your personal hotspot, switch it back on, make sure you know what the Wi-Fi password is, and then try getting another device to connect to it, and hopefully it will now work. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.